Good afternoon.
Yeah, Luis and Jesse. You speak of redirection, no? Wala bang chance for a detour?
Going back. Honestly,
run again?
Honestly, hindi ko na naiisip. Siguro after everything na we went through, everything that's going on, and chances are we'll still go on. Para sa akin, I found my niche once again. Actually, right after the campaign, right after the election, for a while, medyo I was lost. Kahit na nandyan yung ibang mga proyekto natin. Like, to be perfectly honest, kilala din naman ako. Like for example, may mga certain brands, for example, na hindi na rin na nakapag-renew. It's perfectly understandable naman. Na kumbaga, a lot of things na I already had. Kumbaga, bigla na lang na for very understandable business reasons, bigla na lang they had to medyo keep their distance na sa akin. Kumbaga, nawala ako na, teka lang, before the campaign, before the elections, everything was laid out already. Tapos nangyari ang mga bagay-bagay, and then after, parang everything fell into place right away. So parang ayoko na sayangin din yun, that opportunity, kasi not everyone is given a second chance na manumbalik sa industriya. And gusto ko mula sa puso ko, sa ibang mga endorsements ko, sa mga brands ko, na kahit things didn't go our way, hindi nawala yung tiwala sa akin. In fact, in 2 days, I'll be shooting with a new family. Tapos I have 3 renewals ng mga endorsements. So maraming salamat na yung tiwala pa rin sa akin. It's a big thing para pagkatiwalaan ka ng mga produkto at lahat-lahat na may bago, magre-renew. So I'm very thankful na nandun pa rin yan. So kumbaga ayoko nang ilagay sa alanganin once again that trust. So as of now, my main focus is balik sa pag-host, take care of the family. But marami pa rin akong itutulong din naman sa Batangas. Pero if you talk about running again, hindi ko na naiisip.
How do you support your mother, the governor, in her capacity as governor?
Yung mga nakikita niyo na I would post, na if there are certain functions na hindi niya mapuntahan, tapos hindi makapunta her official team, I would go as a son. As a son supporting his mom. Yun ang main goal ko. Para lang, if it's a very important function, then I would be more than happy to attend. But kumbaga hanggang dun lang. I don't have an official designation and I choose not to. Kumbaga pag ako'y pumupunta lang pag nakikita ko sa Batangas, yun ay isang anak na tumutulong sa kanyang ina.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.